So the Supreme Aire is all new for 2025. It's had a lifestyle change. So you'll see some of the similarities of the Mountain Aire to the Supreme Aire because they share the same interior packages. This is the beautiful sterling exterior. You have 3 other options to choose from, or of course go custom. There are 4 floor plans for the Supreme Aire, no new floor plans for 2025. I wanted to show you the storage compartment here in the baggage area under the Supreme Aire. So we've got a nice compartment here. You can see here we've got the Oasis on-demand hot water and your heating, your pegboard here, your fresh tank drain. Then we've got our exterior freezer, nice big compartment. You'll see that everything is lit. We've also optioned in the exterior TV. Great feature, one of those things I think is a must, even if you're not a big TV watcher. It's great for resale. Then we have more storage here and a little pass-through storage that you can see, which is really nice on this Super C. Let's go check out the inside. Look at the beautiful interior at the 4530. I absolutely love this. This is the Camden interior color. And we've done the Summit upper cabinets and the Sable below. I just think it looks really beautiful, very residential. Now remember that this is a lifestyle change for the Supreme Aire, so you're going to have new cabinets, new style of cabinets, new valances, new bedding, new furniture. Oh, and this is a huge thing. So Supreme Aire, all leather. Real leather, not ultra leather. So you're on your furniture, on your captain's and co-captain's chairs, you're gonna have real leather. Now on some of your fascia here, that's gonna be the ultra leather, but on your furniture, real leather. I love the styling of the new furniture, looks really nice. So we've got the theater seating that we optioned in here. They are powered, so you can do that right from here. Sit back and relax. Again, just like in everything that we've seen, no more KIB switches. It's all the LCD screens with global functionality. Storage here in the center console. And we've got a little tray, so we've got that nice deep storage. And right in this little compartment here, we've got our charging port, so we can charge our devices as we sit and watch our TV, which is on the lift there. Right now I've got that down so you can see the nice big window and the sofa across with storage above on both sides. New ceiling treatment too. Everything just looks really beautiful, fresh, new. Now one of the other new optional features for 2025 is Starlink. You can get that on anything Newmar. It's just an option. So again, if you want to know what's optional versus standard, make sure you give us a call at National Indoor RV Centers. Beautiful solid surface countertop, nice big sink. It's huge, right? Huge sink with a little step up there. Beautiful backsplash. And then let's check out the storage. Nice huge cabinet with the pull out. Love that. This is a high gloss finish on the cabinetry. Convection microwave oven, more storage. Of course, this is going to be all electric with the induction cooktop, your AV compartment. Just figured I'd show it all to you. Now back in the kitchen, we've got our induction cooktop here. Great big storage drawer with the dividers here. Optional dishwasher. 3 drawers. And then we've got the flip down. New hardware. Pull out garbage can. Another drawer. And another storage compartment and another drawer. Again, great spice drawer. That's probably what I would use it for. Now across from this, we've optioned in the dinette booth. You're going to have storage below each of your booth seats. All right, we've got a nice big booth. Look at that nice big table. Plenty of room when you're sitting at the booth, you know, if you need a little extra inches there. And then we can also extend this, pop down that extra leg for support, bring in our leaves and our extra chairs, easily get 6 people to this dinette. And then check out the storage all the way above, living room into your dinette area, nice big window, and then we've got our Whirlpool refrigerator freezer with the water in the door, love that. Nice big pantry, locking shelves, place for pans down below, and a space that you can kind of decide, you know, how big that space is in between. More storage here. And then we've got our half bath across. So nice size half bath, solid surface countertop. Look at the detail in the sink. So our breaker box, fuses, everything's in here. And then great storage behind the mirror. Beautiful master bedroom. It looks very sleek and nice in here. Love the king size bed. I love the headboard, the valances, storage above. And then we've got the nightstands on either side. We've got USB and 110 ports for charging. Look at the beautiful sconces that we have. Storage below the bed. We've got our extra leaves for our dinette and our extra chairs. And then again, you're going to notice a similar look here for the bedroom with the 2 wardrobe cabinets and the 6 drawers below with the TV in between. Really, this setup is nice. It gives us the biggest TV, great for viewing from the bed. Here in the master bathroom, more storage, another wardrobe, optional safe, and then the pull-out drawers. I really love that. They think of everything, don't they? 2 towel bars and nice big shower. We've got the optional fold-down seat there, and then all new shower tile. Looks great. Love the new fixtures. And then I do have to say I love this mirror that's backlit behind the mirror. So much storage, 110 outlet, so I can just put my curling iron right up there. Love that. And beautiful sink. 3 full extension drawers. And look at all that storage below. Optional washer and dryer. Optional emergency egress door. Toilet with push button controls.